Okay, I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube videos using your iPhones. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to download how do you call it? You need to download these apps. This one there. Okay, so you need to go to your App Store. Okay, and then from your app stores, look for Fox FM. Okay, so this the thing that you need to download. Alright, so this is the one. Can you see that one? Yeah, Fox FM file manager. So I already have that one, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay, so once you open that, you'll have this windows. Okay, so yeah, you need to go to your browser. Okay, go to your browser. Right, so we're not gonna download that, we're going to look for another videos. Alright, so let's look for this one. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so oh, come on, I removed that one. Alright, we got no copyright music. We're going to download this 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, this one right there. So click on that. So once you click that one, this will automatically show up. So all you need to do is just click download. Okay, now as you can see, the notification it just showed up. So to check where your download videos are, you just have to go here, click this one, and then go to your files. Where's your files? This one, this okay, this one. So you go down there and then you click here. Oh come on, because this is not paid app, so there are loads of advertisements, you know. So what we need to do is just open it. What was the name of the music again of the video that we just downloaded? This one. Oh yes, playing her. Look there. So yeah, it was playing down here, so I just didn't hear it. Look, there you go. So anyway, I'm not gonna play longer because I might have copyrighted. So there you go, you have seen how to download videos from YouTube using your iPhones. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, or see what you think. Write your comments down below so that I will know what to do next. Then I'm gonna have to upload more tutorials about iPhones, you know what I mean. So just make sure to subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you for watching, guys. Adios.